morning, hello, and welcome to another OneChart ukulele song. If you are interested in playing these songs that I'm about to do, follow the links below in the description to the actual video lessons on the OneChart YouTube channel. Subscribe and like. I love your support and love to hear from anybody who's trying out these lessons to see how you're going. In the background you may see, if your video is very good, a little bit of whale action happening over my left shoulder. You may see a large kind of cargo ship on the horizon. Just to the right of that, I think, is where you'll see some whales way off in the distance. Maybe you won't see them, they're very far away, but they're there. So this first song is a song called Benny's Waltz that a man called Benny Chong taught me. And it goes like this. Thanks for watching again. If you'd like to learn how to play that song, follow the links to the video lesson on the OneChart channel. And subscribe, please, and hit the notification bell, and you will get warnings of any other videos like this. There's plenty more lessons and videos to come. And I hope to see you there soon. A little bit of an instrumental song that I have a lesson for on my channel. Please, if you're interested in learning how to play this, there's a little bit more to it than that, but I have a full tab available for free download and a video lesson that shows you how to play that little tune. Yeah, it's called Coorabell Uke.